Now let's open the box A and take out the frame profiles. First, let's see how the frame is assembled. When you open box A, you will see the frame profiles. Important tips: don't cut the zip ties. We can only cut it off once the frame is all set up. Bring the side modules to the end modules of the frame. Remember, don't cut the zip ties on the front beam. Insert the side modules into the connection slots. Align the modules. Minimize the gaps as much as possible, and tighten the connecting screws. Do the same thing for the 4 corner frame modules. Now that we've got the frame of the S1 all set up, we'll move on to installing the support legs and side panels. Cut the zip ties on the front beam.